Hey everyone, welcome to a special edition of Lift Free and Tool On. Today we are taking a look at some of the new tools, and I think some of the tools that maybe have a soft launch, something to the effect of almost a secret launch, things that I haven't seen announced. And I'm really excited to talk to everyone about them because the holidays are coming up, and who doesn't like new tools? My name is Brent, and this is Live Free and Tool On this channel. We love to check out technology and tools and DIY stuff, building stuff, all the stuff that just really makes for a good quality show, and that's what we're going to take a look at. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the new arrivals page here on the Ryobi Tools USA page, and I think that this is going to be something that you are going to love. So the first thing we're going to look at is the cover page, and if we really delve into this, you're going to start to see a couple remedial things. $89 for a kit. That's actually not that bad, especially for an HP tool. We're going to continue down. It's the same thing for the impact, the compact impact. Again, special buys here. Some of the more high performance. You're going to see the one-handed compact reciprocating saw. That looks pretty good. Not the new tools, and I know it's not the tools yet, but just hang in there. We're going to get there. This is the barrel grip jigsaw. Now, this thing here, I'm going to ask the question. I would love for everyone to comment down below. Do you like the top handle or the barrel grip handle for the jigsaw? Now, I do get a lot of different, I will say, comments back from this, but it's interesting. So I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. It's $189 for the kit. And then this is a new one, USB Lithium LED magnet tray. So this is a really cool light, something that you want to keep on your desk, and if you're doing little intricate type of work, then you're going to be able to utilize the magnetic tray, or you're just working out on your car and boom, it's right there. You have everything, and that's actually a nifty little tool. I like how Ryobi is playing on some of these things. And then you have a combo kit here for $129. This is the new Lithium Edge battery. If you're not familiar with what is the difference between the HP high performance batteries and the Lithium HP Edge batteries, well, that is a tabless cell, so all of the energy coming out of one of the cells isn't coming to a singular point. It lets the energy out in bursts, well, not in bursts, but just in a continuous full flow. That means you get a lot more power, it stays cooler, and all that really good stuff, which we're going to talk a lot more about this in just a little bit, and I think that's something that you're going to be interested in. Let's move down the line. This is the new tower light. I did a review on this. Go check that out. It's going to be in my videos. It's actually my favorite light so far because it's a tri-power. It runs off 120, 18 volts, and 40 volts. First light just like it. Oh, first light like it. And then you have tool trays. You have the new stereo. I haven't invested in the new stereo yet. It's $200. Just haven't brought myself to it. It's a lot of money. I have other stereos. I like the little 18 volt stereo too. I'm still thinking, what do you all think? Are you going to get that? Now let's keep moving down the line. We have an angle grinder. That's always good stuff. More storage. Now this Speed Mobile Workbench, I love the idea of it. I do. But it's $200, and I have a lot of workbenches. I'm just not sure. What are your thoughts on this one? I'd like to see what you have to say down below. We'll keep moving. The advanced stick vac. I do have this. I did a review on this. This is a really good stick vac. I love it. $379, a little expensive, but it has a lot of goodies in there with it. This is the new stick light. It's a basic light, right? They took advantage of a couple things. They Frankensteined some things together. I have the light. It works. It's great. There you go. It's short money. This is something that I want really bad. I just can't spend $379 on this. I do have 7 kids, so I don't have an unlimited budget here. But if we take a look at this thing is the wet and dry stick vac, which, because I have 7 kids, that really tempts me. I really do like the versatility of that, and that everything is at the bottom and not at the top of the stick vac. Again, this is the high capacity stick vac too. I really like this one, $279. It's $100 cheaper, but this one does look very elusive. It's been out for a little bit, but still, I have a lot of vacuums. let me know if you want me to review this or the other one. You know, if I do, then that would be something that, you know, I would love to check out. I got to get back to my screen here. Accidentally skipped a little too far down, but all right, so we're back here. This is the new compact area light, the USB. This thing's actually pretty sweet. I love it. I love these little area lights, and you know, it's going to be interesting how much I use it in the future. But it's so compact, I just keep it with me. This is another light. It's $50. I do like the clamp design light on it. It is USB, so you're going to be able to do a lot with it. But I'm going to tell you right now that this one is it's $50. So, and I got to choose how I spend my money wisely here. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, this is actually the brush cutter. I do like this. It's 18 volts. That's cool. Then you have the 40 volt version down below it. I do like it. It's good stuff. This is really good stuff, but I'm going to keep going. $229 for the big fan. I did a review on this. I love this fan. When you need to move a lot of air, this is the tool for you. I really, really do like it. Let's keep moving. This is the USB detail scrubber. I mean, it's cute. Yeah, okay, I can't take that away from it. Don't know if I'm going to buy it, but it's coming soon, so we'll be on the lookout for that. And the bucket top wet dry vac, man, you know the Homer buckets and the gray bucket top vacuums you used to get from Home Depot. This is a play on it, but it's like 10 times better. I do want it. It's $119. I haven't seen it in the stores. If it was convenient, maybe I would buy it as an impulse. But it is elusive. I you know, have almost all their vacuums, and this is just that one that I think I'm going to get it. Should I get it? Let me know down in the comments. I'll do a review for you too, but just let me know. All right, moving on. Workbench light, the new one, the LED. I love this light. I did a review on it. Check my videos. I love this light. It's a good improvement, and it's just a really good. I call it the yoga light. It was my #1 pick a couple of years ago when I was looking at my top 5 tools. Let's keep going. $69. 40 volt HP snowblower. I did a review on this too. I love it. I love it. I live in New England, specifically New Hampshire, and I get a lot of snow, and I use it, and it works out so well. I'm telling you, it's expensive, but you know what, it works. And I gave away my gas snowblower. Now I just use this one, and I have a tractor, but this is great for the detail work, and actually I don't even pull out the tractor sometimes. Moving on, $220. Did a great review on this. I got a ton of hits on it. $129. It's actually on sale, so go get this 220. This is HP, 18 volt, little blower. This thing is bad to the bone. I love it. I even clear my snow off with it. Go out there and get that. Little heat gun, 18 volt. This is cute. I will say it. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it, but it's cute. And you know, it's $99. Go out there. Tell me what you think. Is something that you're going to get invested in? All right, you can, this is just attachments. We're going to scoot by this 40 volts. The seat heater, what are people thinking about the seat heater? You know, what are you thinking? I've seen it at the store. I've thought about it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for because I'm not sitting out in the cold like that. So what do you think? You know, it's cool looking. I do like that it is cool looking. And I like that it has a little power battery pack that you can put both of the USB batteries together. It's pretty cool. But if we keep going, you have the lawnmowers. That's actually really good looking 40 volt lawnmower. Again, more lawnmowers. The 80 volt 1000 watt power source. I did a review on this one as well. It actually works pretty good. If you want to use your 80 volt battery something else than your tractors or lawnmowers, pretty good deal. This is new. It's like a soft release right here. So boom, 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 boom. Here, put up the sparkles, everything else. USB lithium compact chemical sprayer. This is pretty sweet. I do like this. This is one of those things that I want to see how it develops. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it, but I like the look of it. Let's continue down. USB. This is a lithium power spray mop kit. This is cute. You know, it's cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it over one of the other ones, but it's at the right price at $99. So let me know what you think about that. Is that something that you want to get into? I want to hear from you. All right, again, battery and charger, starting kit. We don't need to get in that. Here we go. 1200 PSI, 1 gallon per minute, pressure washer, 40 volt. This is a new one. This one looks pretty good. I'm excited about this. I may or may not get it. I'm not sure, but it's cool looking, and I don't think I've seen it before. Not saying it hasn't been released. Let's continue down. 40 volt or 1 plus 18 volt HP hedge trimmer. We're going to skip by that. We have the 15 gauge angled finish nailer. This one looks pretty good. This is a new version of it. It's good stuff. You're looking at getting a finish nailer. This is something you should probably look at. It's going to last you, and it's pretty sleek looking. It kind of looks like those TTI Milwaukee ones, if you ask me. Now we're going to go on to page 3. This is a cool little blower right here. I do like this one. I have it. I did a review on it. I love it. It's fun. Have it around. You clean your workbench. This little, I've looked at this probably 37 times specifically. These little USB speakers. I haven't pulled the trigger yet. I have not pulled the trigger yet on it, but it looks good. It looks good. I'm just not sure about it yet. And then here we go. This is another little soft start. I haven't seen this before. This is a battery topper light, and it's 40 volts, everyone. I'm excited. Why do I get excited about this? I don't know. I don't know. But I like it. It looks good. And this, I guarantee you, this light, it's going to last like 72 hours. It's going to last 100 hours. It's going to last forever depending on the type of light battery you put it on, the capacity of it. But I'm excited about that. That's cool looking. We're going to continue more lawnmowers. All right, big, ching, 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 big one. Usually I get the pre-release emails. I didn't see those, so maybe I missed it. I don't know, but now they're looking at 40-volt lithium HP batteries for the 40 volts, and I'm just going to say it's 8 amp hours, 40 volts, HP Edge. That means it has the tablet cells in it, which means you're going to get incredible power out of this. This is what I'm excited about right here. You're seeing it right now. This is what I'm excited about. This new battery technology is going to allow all your 40 volt tools to work that much better. And that's what this is what we love about Ryobi, is that they're taking chances to get out there, they're changing and mixing it up. They're doing different things. And this battery, I thought it was going to come. I wasn't sure, but look at it. It's here, and I am super excited. And then, carry on. I'm not going to stay on it forever. Carry on. You have the new tripod topper light. That's cool. I do like it. $99. Kind of expensive for what the light is, but it is there. Next one. This is what you would get with the advanced stick vac. This is going to charge your vacuum. And, it's good stuff. I got it. I like it. Keeps the batteries charged. And the compact HP router. I do like this. I'm going to get this, and I'm going to compare all 3 of the routers coming up really soon. And I got a few tests. I'll put some additions on the house. I've done some other woodwork, and I am impressed with the other ones, but I'd like to see how this works because I've used the Milwaukee ones too, and Milwaukee is pretty awesome. I'm hoping this one is going to live up to the Milwaukee standard. Let's see. All right, and then you got the 18-inch chainsaw, 40 volts. I've done reviews on that. And then you got the 510 CFM Whisper series, and this is the 18-volt blower. That all looks good. You got the string trimmer. You got some of the kits. You got the 8-inch pruning saw. You got the 6-inch pruning saw. I've done reviews on all of those. You can check them out. They're good stuff. I'm not saying they're not good. They're good. This is just a screwdriver kit. This is new. It's a basic tool, but it's good to have. I mean, you do want a basic screwdriver, and that's what that is there for, and it's at the right price, $59. Then you have some of the bigger tools coming in, some of the blowers, more blowers, hedge trimmers. This is cool. They slid this one in. It's not new, but it's the Lithium multi-head screwdriver, and it is on the USB platform. This is a cool little thing if you want to keep it in your house, keep it in your drawer. It's easy accessible. It doesn't have crazy amounts of torque, so you're going to be able to screw things into the wall. Your kids or somebody else may be able to use it, and it's not really going to cause any issues. But there you go, right here. It looks good. And that is it. Let me just make sure. Yep, that's it for the new tools. So everyone, what do you think between the brand new Lithium Edge 40-volt batteries? That battery topper light looks really good. There's some of the other really cool things that are coming out. What do you think? Christmas is right around the corner, but first we have to get through I hate to say it, I don't want to say Black Friday first, but we have to get through Thanksgiving, but everyone just thinks of it as the big sale seasons and everything like that. And you know what? They're not wrong. That's what people really look forward to, are the sales. And Thanksgiving, I think, has suffered a big loss through COVID, because I think people are getting back together now, but let's get people more back together. Let's start repairing those houses, using some of these tools, building good big projects for everyone, so that, you know, maybe build a little bit of that fellowship, some of that camaraderie, do some nice things for your neighbors and your family, use the tools that you have, develop your skills a little bit more. And with that said, take a risk, take a chance. It's okay to fail. Just learn from your failures and pass on the solutions to the next generation. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.